I have 4 examples here that I want to find the rotational symmetry for. And what that means is it means I want to take my shape and I want to figure out how many times can I rotate it before I get back to its original orientation. Okay, so in my first example, I have this green X. All right, I'm going to leave this first X right here. This is going to be our reference. And I'm going to rotate this image over here. So I'm going to rotate it 1 time. All right, I rotated it 1 time and notice it still is the same shape of the green X. All right, let's rotate it again. That's a 2nd time, same shape. 3rd time and 4th time. So I rotated this shape 4 times. So that means that this shape has an order of 4. All right, the order stands for how many times you can rotate the shape. So the order's 4. I want to find the angle of rotation. So we're rotating around a circle. So a circle is 360 degrees. Oh, that's a rough circle, but that's okay. So it's 360 degrees. And I did that 4 times. So to find my angle of rotation, I'm going to do 360 divided by 4. So angle of rotation. The angle of rotation is always 360 divided by the order. So that gave us 360 over 4, which is a 90-degree rotation. Okay, 90-degree rotation. Another way you can think of it is this shape has 4, I don't want to call them corners, but they're kind of like 4 points. Right, here's 1, 2, 3, 4. That can help us visualize this in our head, that this is going to have an order of 4, because I can turn it each of these 4 times to get that same green X shape. All right, that's example 1. Let's do another one. Number 2, I have this funky rectangle pinwheel kind of shape. So first we want to think about the order. This shape, it has 3 notches. And that if I took each of these points and I turned it and rotated it, I'm going to get the same shape every time. So this one has an order of 3, which means that the angle of rotation is going to be 360 divided by 3, which would give us a 120-degree angle rotation. Okay, my next one. Here, let's figure out how many points I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have order 6, which means the angle of rotation is 360 divided by 6, which is going to give us 60-degree angle of rotation. All right, my last one. This shape's kind of funky. This shape, I can only rotate it 2 times to get the same image. Here it only has an order of 2. Okay, so here my order's 2, which means that my angle of rotation is going to be 360 divided by 2, which is 180 degrees.